Hello, my name is Grant Hinderliter from the Marcus Whitman Hotel and Conference Center. We're going to be searing some scallops today for you. The reason I like this scallop plate is it has a little bit of bitter greens. It has the sweetness from the cranberry chutney. It also has a little bit of sweetness and acidity from the 10-year-old balsamic reduction. And then you're going to get that really nice herbal flavor from that basil herb oil. First thing you want to do is turn on your pan and make sure it's nice and hot. Second thing is take your scallops. Make sure you season them with salt and black pepper on all sides. We add some canola oil to the pan. Canola oil is important because it has a high smoking point compared to where an olive oil would have a low smoking point. You want to hear that sound? You want to give them a quarter turn. What we're looking for is a little bit of caramelization to come up the side of the scallop. Once you get that nice caramelization on the scallop, you want to flip it over, and then you're going to add your whole butter to the pan and then squeeze a fresh lemon over the scallop itself. After that step, you want to take your spoon and kind of get some of that really nice lemon butter and spoon it over the scallop so that flavor gets all over the scallop and it's distributed evenly. When the scallop is seared, we take it out and we put it on a towel and we let it rest for maybe 2 minutes. Some of those natural juices will come out and you don't really want those on your plate. So let those come out and then we're going to plate after that. So I dressed the arugula with a little bit of basil olive oil. I'm just going to do a real nice center presentation with that. Make a little nest for the scallop. Put our scallop onto that arugula. We'll take our balsamic reduction and then some of our herb oil to add color. The cranberry chutney. And then you can really play with it, and it can go from anywhere from an appetizer to an entree. For an entree, I'd say 3 scallops to 4 per person. For an appetizer, I'd say 1 to 2.